Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to automatically move emails to folder Outlook. To start, open Outlook. Then, right-click on the email with the desired sender. Here, select Rules and click Create Rule. Now check the box from with the sender name, then check the Move the item to folder box. After that, click on Select Folder and you have two options. Use one of the current folders or click New and create your own folder. Click OK. Finally, click OK. If you want to move all emails from that sender, check the Run This Rule Now box. Click OK, and then you can verify that the emails have been moved to that folder. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.